Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an unboxing and review of the Carlco cream. This product is for girly and wavy hair. This is the girl cream tube. The color is purple and pink. The design looks simple and nice. The tube feels strong. First remove outer string wrapper. This is a strong hold girl cream. It helps girls to stay in shape. It is good for frizzy hair. It is also good for dry hair. The tube cap is tight and easy to open. Okay. The cream structure is smooth. It is not very thick. It is not oily. It spreads easily on hair. Why I like it? This hair cream makes hair soft. It gives natural looking girls. Hair looks neat and clean. How to use? Take a small amount of cream, apply on wet hair. Use finger and press girls gently. Let hair dry naturally. Final review. I like this cream. It is easy to use. It is good for daily use. Thank you for watching my video. Tata. Bye bye. See you.